This is the story of a mom who taught her kid an important life lesson. One day, not so long ago, the mom opened the bedroom door and saw this mess. There were toys everywhere, clothes all over the floor. And her kid was playing happily, totally unaware of the mess they were making. The mom thought to herself, "One day I won't be here to clean up after them. But what if I teach them responsibility today?" So she walked in and said, "Let's start the day by making your bed." The child got off their toy and walked over to the bed. They pulled the blanket first. It wasn't really smooth, but after a few seconds, they patted the pillow just like their mom had done before. "See? You did it?" the mom said with a big smile. As parents, we have the power to shape our children's lives by teaching them small things every day. Responsibility starts small, but it shapes who they become. The child looked at their mom, then at their bed, and a big smile spread across their face. They were proud of what they had done. After that, the mom went downstairs. She brought an entire basket of clean clothes upstairs and sat down next to their bed. It wasn't perfect, but the mom didn't care. She pulled the child into a tight hug. "It's not about perfection, it's about effort," she said. And they both laughed. "Now let's fold these t-shirts. Watch how it's done." When they were done, they looked into the mirror and saw water drops on their sink. Without being told, they wiped the water drops and hung the towel properly. Just then, the mom appeared at the door. She watched as the child completed their task and nodded proudly. "Taking care of your things means growing up strong," she said. "Like this," she said, demonstrating how to fold a t-shirt. "Now you try," she said, handing the shirt to the child. The child tried to follow their mom's lead, but their folded shirt looked a bit wrinkled. A little later, the child was brushing their teeth. They turned on the water and started brushing. As the sun set, the mom and the child were high-fiving. Their room was bathed in golden light and was filled with joy. They had accomplished so much that day, all because the mom had taught them responsibility when they were young. They say that kids are like sponges. They absorb everything around them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.